Hello guys, it's me, Black Flash here. I mean, Ricky the Eat, whatever. Um, Now here is James that someone requested on one of the chats, which I will make Percy next. Hold on, bruh. Okay, so here's the video of James, the J11, of course, and this dude needs to get away, please. Now here is his whistle. So until I can get the speakers, the engines will be upgraded with the whistles from the old shows. So James doesn't have nothing much in the cab and doesn't have the windows yet, which I will be updated in a later video. Oh, and here's his tender, which he doesn't have cold in it. Here, let me show you. See? No cold. No cold. Nothing. No code. Cold or whatever, but see? Nothing. Nothing in there. Now, this is how James runs. Hold on, I'm gonna go into... Also, let me just... Okay, and here goes James. Now, James is kind of slow because basically James is over a 1000 limit. Now I'm going to show how James goes on the curves. Okay, so here comes James now. Sorry, I'm just scratching my forehead. So here's what is turning James. Here you can see a little motor there. Hold up, I can't. Please. Okay, so there's the motor right there where you can see that black thing. And basically, the little wheels right here don't move, but the cylinders help James turn. And also, those are little stick things right there. James buffers and the shiny dome, which is made out of metal. And yeah, that's all. And Percy and Edward are going to be coming soon. Basically, my brother had to use Edward's wheels because he had problems trying to make James's wheels and the little wheels right here. Well, and that's our James. Well, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Say bye, James. And there's the happy end of our story of James the J11 engine.